how to find penny items at Home Depot online. So here's how you can do some penny shopping. You want to go to the official Home Depot website and use the search bar to search for penny items or clearance items. Now let's just type penny items first, and this is automatically going to apply the clearance tag here, as you may have been able to see. Now here you will be able to view all of the available clearance items, and whichever one you want to purchase, you will just click on it like so, and right here it should load up the buy now page, and you can just purchase it as you would normally, add it to your cart, and then you can proceed to checkout. And that is how you do it. Add it to your cart, purchase it as you would normally, and that's how you do some penny shopping or shopping for clearance items on Home Depot. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.